Hello guys. Today we are going to explain how to hide likes on specific page categories on Facebook, such as sports teams and TV shows. These instructions apply to the desktop version of Facebook only. So let's start. First, navigate to facebook.com and go to your profile page. Select More from the menu bar just under your cover photo. Select Likes. Click on 3 dots in the Likes box. Select Edit the privacy of your likes. Now select the page category that you want to hide. In the Select Audience box, choose the level of privacy you want for the categories like visibility. Options include Public, Friends, Only Me, and Custom. Select Only Me for the highest privacy level. Finally, select Close. You've adjusted your page like privacy settings. Like and subscribe for more tricks. See you in the next video.